Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bianca. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I'm going to be doing this cute short tutorial on how to basically like turn your wig into a headband wig. I got so many people responding back to my story when I actually wore this hair out, asking me, oh, where's your headband wig from, baby? This is a regular wiggle, and it's very easy. So I was like, you know what, okay, I'll just do it for you guys, okay, because why not? So yeah, that's why I decided to do this video. So I'm just gonna get right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Without wasting any time, we're just gonna get right into this tutorial. Okay. In this video, I'm gonna basically teach you guys how to apply headband wigs. So I might post like a little clip after this, but like literally just recently I had you know, I went out for Halloween, and one of my Halloween looks was wearing a headband wig. But the thing is that it is not a headband wig. It is actually just a regular wig that I literally just turned into a headband wig. I had girls like asking me like, oh, where'd you get your headband wig? And I'm like, girl, listen, do you know I used a wig that I already have? Okay, this is the wig right here, and I already have it curled up. This was, I literally have not done anything to the hair. Like literally this is the last time I wore it. So it's actually a frontal, and I'm going to show you guys what to do in order to achieve and make it become a headband wig without needing to actually get a headband wig. I actually have a headband wig, but I do not like it at all, and it doesn't really come as full and thick as you would like it to be, because it's not like a lace front or it's not a closure. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do it myself. So I'm basically going to show you guys what I do in order to give me that headband look, and I'm going to show you guys everything, the whole tutorial. Your hair can be braided or not. Make sure that your edges are done for sure. Make sure that your edges are slayed, okay? See where my edges are slayed? That's how you want your edges to look. Now this is the headband. So obviously literally you just get like a regular black headband. Me, I like to use black because black obviously fits with everything. I don't want to use colored, so I literally just got like a regular headband and I just like cut it into half, and that was literally it. So then I have my wig. It's already curled up, so I'm just basically going to show you guys how I'm going to basically like put it on my head. And then the last thing you need is a wig cap. If you have braids, then obviously you don't need to you don't need a wig cap, but because my hair is not braided, I just literally slick my hair back so I can be able to put on the wig cap. And I'm just basically going to show you guys how I put it on. You don't want to put it on completely over your whole hair because obviously your edges have to show from the wig. So I'm just basically going to show you guys how it is on my hair. So this is, well, this is torn, but this is a new wig cap, and I'm about to just put this on my hair and show you guys how. Just watch me. And literally you don't want it to like cover like your whole head. You want it to just cover like right here, because this is where your edges are going to show. This isn't even anything really new to me like that, but so now that my wig cap is like positioned well, I am now gonna go in with placing the wig. This is a middle part, so basically you literally just snap, like literally like you put on your wig. I didn't even notice I wasn't wearing my other earrings. Whatever though, it's still look beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to just snap this on. Just do it like that. Oh, see, I love it. So now that we have the wig, I feel like I want to move. Okay, no, I won't move it anymore. So now what we're gonna do, so you see how at this, basically at this part, right, you see how it starts, where your wig starts from. So you don't want it to be all the way in the front, because obviously if it's all the way up here, then it's going to be covering your edges that you've slayed. Okay, so no. So what we're going to do is that we're going to leave it right at this position, and then we're going to just brush it to the side like that. You just want to do that so the hair is like out of your way. And then then you're gonna go in and make sure you guys pay attention to this part. Pay attention to how I literally execute this part. Okay, now you're going to get your headband, and you're basically just going to place it at that angle right here. right there. So you want to do it in a way where it's like it doesn't cover. Hold on. If there's any hair flyaways, just literally push it to the side. Right here, I'm gonna put it right there, and then we're going to take the headband like that and take it, make sure that there's no hair stuck in between, and then take it all the way to the back. Hold on, give me 1 second. Now you want to move the hair out of your way. This is literally all you need to do. Make sure it's not on top of your ear, and then just make sure that it's moved. As you can see, I have some hairs that's like sticking out, so I'm just going to literally we're going to tie it at the back. So you want to just do like a very, like, don't do it way too hard, because if you do it way too hard, like your head will be pounding. You can see it's already coming together, and you just do a knot at the back, and that's literally it. And it holds, oh my god, it literally holds your wig in place. Now that I've been able to place the wig, now you want to do any little adjustments that you need to make. So just pushing this a little bit back, and then I'm going to basically clip my wig down at the back, and then that's basically literally it. Like, if you want to like flatten it, you can use I would use my straightener or like my curler to just like basically press it down here, but I don't really have time to take this video, so I'm just basically going to show you guys how, like, this is how you can do it. Or you can literally just use some got to be spray and just spray it down to hold it flat. And usually what I like to do is that I like to do my curls before time, just in case, like, let me say if I'm going somewhere and I don't really have time, you know, after I do the hairband and I come and start curling the hair again, like, nah, literally just comb it and I'm done. Like, very quick hairstyle, fast, you don't have to do much to your hair. I love the look it gives, like, it's so pretty, kind of even low-key gives natural. Like, this is like one of my favorite things to like do with my wigs, especially when I don't feel like gluing down my hair. Love, look at the bouncy curls. Yes, it's giving. This is pretty much it. This is basically how I achieve my headband wig look. Yes, and obviously you want to curl your hair because it just gives it this like volume look that just love it. Okay, anyways, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, and I hope that this video is very helpful for some of you beautiful ladies out there. You know, there's so many ways that you can style your wigs without having to glue it down and all that stress of gluing. Like, honestly, gluing hair down is just so stressful. So for me, this has been like my go-to look if I'm going somewhere. Like, it's still, even if you're going to like somewhere important, some like a dinner, club, you can still rock this look. So, you know, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. Let me know in the comment sections below if you guys will be trying this out. You don't have to struggle or worry about, oh, your wig is gonna come off or something like that. Like, that's one thing I love about this hairstyle. It's so straight to the point. But anyway, that's really it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Mwah.